Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about Google Docking. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So actually, what is Google Docking? A Google Doc is a query, sometimes referred to as a doc. It is a search string or a custom query that uses the advanced search operators to find the information not readily available on the website. So it is also known as Google hacking. So it can return the information difficult to locate through the simple search queries. So in this video we will see some of the search operators to find the information. So let's start with the define. So we already know a dictionary built into the Google. Basically this will display the meaning of a word. So here you can see I enter define entrepreneur. So here you can see the results for this search query. So next we are going with catchy. And in this video I'm taking the example of an apple.com. So here I'm entering uh, catchy apple.com, and it will show the most recent cached version of the web page. So here you can see the most cached version of the web page, and you can search here so whatever the thing you want regarding this apple website. So next I'm going with a file type. So here I'm entering apple file type. So it will give the results of the PDF files. So here you can see. So next operator is the site operator. So what is this operator exactly do? So it will limit the results to those from a specific website. So if I put um, site apple.com, so it will give the results for only the apple.com, 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 apple.com. And the next is the entitle operator. So entitle operator is used to find the pages with a certain word in the title. So if I put in title here, so if I put the in title here, so it will find the pages with a certain word in the title. So here you can see all the pages with the apple word in it. Apple, apple, everything apple dot Apple, Amazon.com, Apple, and every pages with a certain Apple word. So next operator is all in title. So if I change this title to all in title, in this video I'm using only Apple words. So if it is more than one word or two words, so all the things in this title will be returned through this operator. So next operator is in URL. So in URL, so it will find the pages with a certain word in the URL. So in the URL, the Apple word must and should be there. So here you can see Apple, Apple, Apple. Every word returning with the Apple in the URL, it will be written. So next thing it is, you can mention all in URL. So all the words in this URL so must be returned through this operator. So next operator will be in text. So what is this operator will do? Actually it will find the pages containing the Apple word somewhere in the content. So all the websites containing this Apple word somewhere in the content, it will be returned. And the next operator will be all in text. You can use all in text. So all the words in this query will be written. So these are the some of the operators which we will use in our daily life. Next time while you're browsing the internet, try to use this. It is very much useful for finding the particular information or the particular content. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day.